Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a girl named Lily. Lily liked to walk around and find new things. One day, she found a path in the forest near her village. She followed the path and found a beautiful garden. The garden had pretty flowers and colorful butterflies. Birds sang songs in the trees. In the middle of the garden, there was a big tree with shiny leaves. Lily saw a small fairy on a flower. The fairy's name was Flora. Flora told Lily that she was special and had to take care of the garden. Lily was happy and promised to help. She learned how to take care of the flowers and make friends with the animals. One day, a dark cloud came to the garden. It made everything sad and dark. Lily knew she had to do something to save her garden. She asked Flora for help. Flora told her to use the magic of the garden to fight the darkness. Lily closed her eyes and thought of happy things. She used the magic to make a bright light. The light chased away the darkness. The garden became bright and happy again. The flowers bloomed and the animals danced. Lily knew she had saved her special garden. From that day on, Lily took care of the garden with love. She knew it was her special place and she would always protect it. Lily's friends from the village came to see the garden. They were amazed by its beauty. Lily showed them around and told them about her adventures. And so, Lily's magical garden became a special place for everyone in the village to enjoy. They would often visit to see the flowers bloom and hear the birds sing. Lily was proud of her garden and happy to share its magic with others. She knew that as long as she took care of it, the garden would always be a place of joy and wonder for everyone. And so, Lily's magical garden continued to thrive, bringing happiness to all who visited it. The end.